You can just see the flash.
For fuck's sake!
What are you doing? Yeah. They all shit?
Yeah.
Try that. Here, give me that. It's a great video. Pitch black.
What's these?
Complete. You can buy some more from a co-op if you want.
Oh, do better than that.
Yeah, a lot better. If we can get a fucking lighter to work. Do it. Ooh, shit.
Success!
Success.
We're actually going to get to play too.
I hope we do. We find your missing dog.
Can we do another one?
Yeah, sure. Right there.
I can't find this now.
Shit.
Oh no, it's there. It's still in here. Is it actually blowing out?
I'm not sure. Oh, it's over there. Yeah. Blind pricks.
Let me show you how to use this.
Oh no, I can use it now.
It's okay, I can do it. You don't need
retard.
death.
So you can actually use this.
No, I can do it off lighter.
Incense, innit?
Yeah, I'm not gonna think.
Magic.
Doesn't sound anything like it on there.
Hold it. Okay.
Wow, this camera's dog. So we have Ian here. Ian, with Mr. Bean in here.
You're alright making our conversation uncomfortable.
Yeah, this is Joe.
So we won't talk anymore. You can't even see it.
I know you can't see anything.
They actually autofocus.
It's Mr. Bean. See Mr. Bean's holiday? Where he goes, whoa. That shit.
I fucking hate Mr. Bean.
You don't like Mr. Bean?
No.
What? What? Oh, shame.
Try that. Try that, mate. Try that. Piss take.
This is the 10-second firework. This is the 23 round burst.
The 15 quidder.
This is the FAMAS. Getting it out of my head.
Yeah, I know. Shit.
It's actually hurting my eyes.
Yeah.
Oh shit, he's thinking.
Ah. Nice.
That was supposed to be money. How much was that? 15 quid. Oh, right.
Oh,
Big
yeah.
bottles are better still.
I got that.
What the fuck's all this shit?
Yeah,
I got this.
shite everywhere.
They're all sniper rifles.
Fire!
Oh, I wish I was still.
You should have gone like, oh, double kill.
It does look good though, because the colour always looks good on this, and there's the single powerful rifle. Listen, sniper rifle from Halo. I just remember, you used to imagine like a double kill, like after it, like 2 through head.
Now we know how it feels
Through
in
2 heads.
Syria
Oh my
and
God.
Iraq.
What time was the co-op open?
Or like the refugees. 11, isn't it?
11. What time is it?
It's a late shop, isn't it?
Late shot.
Because I might actually get something from
Lighters, fireworks.
A drink.
Energy drink, of course.
Monster!
It's funny because it's not even.
Why don't you get some?
We get
That's
rocks.
what they get given by my
delirium
mum once a
ecstasy.
month. I drink them, my mum buys from me once a month because it was on a pound offer.
Oh, I got to think. You always fucking buy it. Whenever we was in B&M, you'd buy like a shitty energy drink.
When was that?
You can't see
I don't know,
anything.
when you was in
That
college.
wasn't always Monster.
There we go. Hey,
No, but it was some
finally.
shitty energy drink.
Yeah,
They're all the same.
So you say
No,
Monster's a brand, not a drink.
As if it's not the same fucking company one. That's all anyway.
No,
Sounds like an
it's definitely not.
Yeah.
No,
There's
one Monster
makes
the
one.
cheap ones, not the.
I swear to God, the same like brand or business owns all of the different brands that are like Monster
No.
and Rockstar.
So like little ones, they like to think they can make money by making cheap energy drinks because the ingredients are cheap. So that's the way of making money. People see a cheap energy drink, they buy it, and that's the way.
all of the shitty ones are
starting
like Bin and Vineland. But I mean, all of the big ones like Monster and stuff like that, Rockstar, they are all owned by the same like conglomerate.
Why would
I
they
thought
be?
you would have learned that in business.
Oh my god, your hands are cold.
I don't know if you noticed, but like Nivea and Kellogg's are like owned by the same people. I think it's
Should we go look for
That's
that
that hoodie. What was that one?
Lucky Bound.
I need to take my glasses off.
Fucking work.
Yeah, you can't close it unless you
Oh, you got your bag.
Great night. You look
What
like
reminds me of,
KKK
Shining
member.
Force.
It's like a KKK member.
Grip the zip. It's ridiculous.
I joined the
Jimmy, there's a bit of a
KKK, but I
issue.
wanted to have my own
It's gonna get in her
splash.
like it always does.